Hello everyone, this is Yogita and you're watching English Finishing School. So today's cue card is describe a time when you made a promise to someone. Before we start this cue card, I'm going to make a promise that you're gonna learn a lot of ideas about developing this cue card. Before we proceed, do not forget to subscribe our channel and also press the bell icon so that you get all the updates about our upcoming videos. So let's start without any delay. डिस्क्राइब अ टाइम व्हेन यू मेड अ प्रॉमिस टू समवन. जब कभी आपने किसी को वादा किया. whom did you make the promise to? आपने किससे वादा किया? what the promise was? क्या वादा किया? why you made the promise? और क्यों किया? was the promise easy to achieve? That's quite an interesting thing to talk about. Now let us talk about some general idea and vocabulary words for this cue card. Some statements like it's rightly said that promises are easier to make but harder to keep means वादा करना तो आसान है लेकिन उसको निभाना बहुत मुश्किल है. Many people make promises in almost all relationships and all situations, but a very few out of them have a tendency to keep those promises. Means लोग वादा तो कर लेते हैं लेकिन उसको निभाने हर किसी के बस की बात नहीं होती. And you can also talk about your personal nature, like I am a kind of person who never breaks my promises and fulfill all my commitments with full dedication and truthfulness. Here I would like to talk about a promise which I made to my family last year. Now let us discuss some vocabulary words for this cue card. सबसे पहले वादा करना. How many kind of phrases we can use for that? Keep a promise, make a promise, fulfill a promise, then make a commitment, then keep my words. और वादा कराने से मुकर जाना, उसके लिए क्या phrases हैं? Back out from your promise, forgot to complete your promise and you break the promise, you're not able to keep it or it was hard for you to keep it. Then, of course, you can talk about certain hurdles and problems which you faced in accomplishing that promise, like you faced a difficulty, that can be a particular problem also, and you were quite apprehensive and doubtful about keeping that. And ambiguous is again the synonym for doubtful only. It was essential. आपके लिए वो ज़रूरी था and the need of the hour और समय की मांग थी आपके लिए उस प्रॉमिस को पूरा करना. ऑफकोर्स आप किसी की फीलिंग्स को रिस्पेक्ट करना चाहते थे, आप किसी की फीलिंग को हर्ट नहीं करना चाहते थे एंड यू डिड नॉट वांट टू प्ले विद द इमोशंस. फॉर दैट रीजन यू केप्ट दैट प्रॉमिस हार्टली एंड ऑफकोर्स इट वाज इंडीड अ हरक्यूलियन टास्क टू अचीव. कई बार बहुत डिफिकल्ट हो जाता है, कोई प्रॉमिस हम कर लेते हैं लेकिन उसको निभा नहीं पाते एंड उसको निभाना बिकम्स अ डिफिकल्ट. हरक्यूलियन टास्क इज एन ईडियम which actually talks about your difficulty level of a task. You faced obstacles, आप बहुत upset हो गए, you put very rigorous efforts for to that do that, and then you kept yourself physically and mentally strong so that you could keep that promise. आपने रास्ते की रुकावटों की परवाह नहीं की, whatever they might be. So this is how you can develop this cue card according to the cues available. Now, without wasting any time, let us discuss about the best model answer for this cue card. It is rightly said that promises are easier to make but harder to keep. Many people make promises in almost all relationships and all situations, but a very few out of them have a tendency to keep those promises. I am a kind of a person who never breaks my promises and fulfill all my commitments with full dedication. Here, I would like to talk about a promise which I made to my family last year. It was related to my irregular diet, because of which I faced serious health issues about 2 years ago. I got suffered from hypotension, and the doctor strictly advised me, after knowing the details of the case, that it was due to the fact that I used to skip my meals quite often. My family got indeed anxious of the whole situation, and they took a promise from me that I would be regular in my meals and would not skip them. I made this promise seriously out of my heart, as I knew that if not taken care of, my health would affect badly. My family was equally concerned for me. I was little apprehensive of keeping the promise, since my schedule at times becomes so hectic and disturbed that I can't stick to a fixed time for my lunch and dinner. But I was quite resolute and firm to do that. There were definitely hurdles on the way, like some important assignments, some projects in hand, and then I realized that if my health goes wrong, nothing would be productive and useful. I overcome all those obstacles, stayed resilient and strong, and kept the promise with determination at the end. This is all about this cue card of keeping a promise. Of course, if you want to keep a promise, you can also use such ideas and vocabulary words to talk about. So, now is the time. The most important thing to do, subscribe our channel and bell icon pressing so that you get all the future updates about our upcoming cue cards. Stay connected, stay tuned. Bye bye.